Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Fortnite and you keep getting this error, couldn't start the game with the error code 20006, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on Fortnite easily. So first off, you're going to go onto your Fortnite directory. So I have the game in my D drive, Fortnite. You're going to go into Fortnite game, binaries, Win64, and then you'll have this folder called Easy Anti-Cheat. You're going to open it up and then you'll have Easy Anti-Cheat EOS setup here. You're going to right click on it, click create shortcut. You're going to right click on the shortcut, go into properties, go into target here, and at the end of the target you're going to write repair. You're going to click apply. Okay, you're going to right click on it, click run as administrator. You're going to run easy anti-cheat then, and then when you run easy anti-cheat you're going to select Fortnite in it, and then you'll click repair. And once you click repair, it will repair itself. And after that, now when you try to open up Epic Games Launcher and you try to play Fortnite, you'll see that your game will work correctly and you will not get that error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.